How to stop translating and start speaking fluently. Hello, my friend. Have you ever found yourself stuck in the middle of a conversation because your brain was translating every single word from your native language into English? You know what you want to say in your own language, but your brain is slowly trying to find the English words. By the time you do, the moment is gone. This is called the translation trap, and almost every English learner falls into it. But here's the good news. You can break free from it. You can speak English fluently without translating in your head if you train your brain the right way. This guide will show you why you translate, why it slows your fluency, and how to think directly in English so you can speak smoothly, confidently, and naturally. Why do we translate in our heads? Before we fix it, we need to understand it. You translate in your head because that's how most of us were taught. In school, we learned English by memorizing vocabulary lists, translating sentences word by word, studying grammar rules like math equations. This method teaches knowledge but not fluency. Fluency is about speed, confidence, and expression, not perfection. The problem with translating. While speaking. When you translate in your head, you speak slower, lose your train of thought, sound unnatural, get nervous or freeze when the sentence doesn't come out right. Miss the chance to connect in real-time. Translation creates a delay between your thoughts and your speech. Think about it. Native speakers don't translate. They just speak. And if you want to sound fluent, you need to do the same. So how do we get there? The solution. Train yourself to think in English. Here's how you move from translation mode to thinking in English mode. 1. Start with simple sentences in your mind. Talk to yourself during the day in English. Start with small things like, I'm hungry. I need to go to the store. It's cold outside. Don't try to speak perfectly. Just get used to thinking in English. This reprograms your brain to skip translation. 2. Use real-life English phrases, not individual words. Don't study go to school. Study, I'm going to school. Don't just learn hungry. Learn, I'm starving, or let's grab something to eat. Phrases are faster and more natural. Your brain remembers chunks, not pieces. 3. Practice shadowing, the secret of speed. Shadowing is a fluency hack. Here's how. Listen to a native speaker talking. Repeat what they say immediately, with the same speed and tone. Don't pause or think, just copy. Start with YouTube interviews, vlogs, or podcasts. It feels weird at first, but it works like magic. You'll sound more natural and think faster. 4. Describe what you see in real time. Look around your room. Think in English. There's a book on the table. I'm charging my phone. The window is open. This is mental training. You're teaching your brain to use English as the default language of thought. 5. Use fillers like a native to buy time. Even fluent speakers don't speak perfectly. They use phrases like, let me think. Well, actually, that's a good question. These give you space to think in English without switching back to your native language. 6. Have many conversations with yourself. Yes, out loud. Example. What should I wear today? Maybe the black shirt? No, it's too hot. I'll go with the white one. You're practicing dialogue flow. No need to wait for a partner. Be your own. 7. Watch and repeat real conversations. Use YouTube clips, Netflix scenes, or Instagram reels where people talk naturally. Then, listen, repeat, out loud, act like you're in the conversation. This builds listening speed, plus speaking reflexes. No more translation. 8. Label your environment. Put sticky notes on objects around you, mirror, window, light switch. Your brain sees the object and the English word together, no translation needed. After a while, mirror just means mirror, not espejo or jingzi or guang. 9. Speak first, correct later. Don't pause every 3 seconds to check if your grammar is right. Just speak. Keep the flow. Later, you can review and improve. Fluency comes from flow, not perfection. 10. Talk with real people, even if you're nervous. Language exchange apps like Hello Talk Tandem Speaky can connect you with native or fluent speakers. Start with simple sentences, ask questions, share your day. The goal is not to speak perfectly. The goal is to speak without fear or translation. Let me tell you about Mariam, one of my students from Morocco. She told me, every time I speak English, I hear Arabic in my head first. Then I try to change it into English, but I get stuck. We worked together using the methods above. She practiced daily self-talk in English. She watched 10 minutes of English content a day and shadowed the speakers. She recorded voice notes about her day. After 2 months, she sent me a message. Now, when I speak English, the words just come. I don't need to translate. It feels natural. I finally feel fluent. And that's what I want for you. Let's be honest. Fluency has never been about speaking perfectly. It's not about flawless grammar or using big, fancy words. Fluency is freedom. The freedom to express your thoughts. The freedom to connect with others. The freedom to be yourself in English. And the biggest thing holding you back? It's not your accent. It's not your vocabulary. It's the habit of translating in your head. That habit creates hesitation. It kills your flow. It steals your confidence. But here's the truth. When you start thinking directly in English, you stop second-guessing. You start speaking with clarity, with rhythm, with power. You stop surviving in English and start living in it. Here's your challenge. Take action. Today. Don't just read this, train your brain. Spend just 5 minutes today thinking only in English. Describe what you see, feel, or plan to do. Talk to yourself out loud. Narrate your actions, explain your choices, pretend you're on a podcast. Choose one shadowing video from a podcast, a show, or YouTube, and repeat it word for word. Match the tone, match the speed. Say something, anything, without translating. Even one sentence is a win. Repeat this every day. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be consistent, because day by day, sentence by sentence, your brain will stop asking, how do I say this in English? And it will start doing what it was trained to do. Speak, think, respond, fluently. So go ahead, own your voice. Speak like someone who believes in themselves. Make mistakes boldly. Learn fast. Connect with the world. Your fluency isn't a dream. It's a decision. And it begins the moment you stop translating and just start speaking. You've got this. Now go speak like it. DJ.